I'm Justin Elton from STEM 11A-1 in Our Lady of Fatima University. This video is for educational purposes only. In this video, I'm gonna tackle about correlations.
In statistics, correlation or dependence is any statistical relationship, whether causal or not, between two random variables or bivariate data.
Correlation is one of the most common and useful statistics. It describes the degree of the relationship, or more precisely, it is the measure of the extent to which two variables are related.
This table represents the degree of correlation that interprets the value of R.
There are different types of correlation, but in this video, we're only going to use one, which is the Pearson's correlation. Pearson's correlation is also called Pearson's R. It is a measure of linear correlation between two sets of data. It is mostly used in linear regression. It utilizes two quantitative variables to see if there's linear relationship between those variables.
The possible research hypotheses are that there is a positive linear relationship between the variables, a negative linear relationship between the variables, or no linear relationship between the variables. This is Pearson's R correlation formula, where x is the independent variable and y is the dependent variable, and n is the sample size. Sample number 1. A group of 6 children participated in a psychological study designed to assess the relationship, if any, between age and average total sleep time, or ATST, in hours, where x is the age and y is the average total sleep time in hours. To solve this, you have to find the summation of x, y, xy, x squared, and y squared. Add the values to get its summation. To find xy, multiply x and y. Then add all the given values to get its summation. To get the value of x squared, just square the value of x and then proceed to summation. To find the value of y squared, just square the value of y and then proceed to summation. Using Pearson's R correlation formula, substitute the given, then solve first the numerator and then the denominator. In example number 2, in a biology experiment, a number of cultures were grown in the laboratory. The number of bacteria and their ages in days are given below, where x is the number of days and y is the number of bacteria. Again, solve for the value of xy, x squared, and y squared, so that you can solve the summation of x, y, xy, x squared, and y squared. In example number 3, calculate the value of r for the random variables x and y using the following values.
Now that I'm done discussing about correlation, it's now your turn to solve some problems. I will give you a 3-item activity to solve to find out if you really listen and understand this lesson. I'm going to show you the given, so after you're done copying it, pause the video and then solve it. After you're done solving, continue the video so I can show you the answers. Good luck! that's the end of this activity and lesson. I hope you got the right answers and learned something from this video. Once again, I'm Justin Elplan, and this video is for educational purposes only. Remember,
Life is a math question. In order to gain the most, you have to know how to convert negatives into positives.